Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the Texas Chainsaw 1974 cast. Number 1. William Vail in the movie Kirk. In 1974, age 24. In 2023, age 72. He's born in Texas, United States and birthday November 30, 1950.
Way out here. I was at the slaughterhouse.
Number 2. Edwin Neal in the movie Nubians. In 1974, age 23. In 2023, age 77. He's born in Texas, United States and birthday July 12, 1945.
My family's always been in me.
Number 3. Paul A. Partain in the movie Franklin. In 1974, age 28. In 2005, age 59. He is dead, date of death 2005, and born in Texas, United States. Number 3. Gunnar Hansen in the movie Letterface. In 1974, age 27. In 2023, age 68. He is dead, date of death 2015, and born in Maine, United States.
I don't know. Everything means something, I guess.
Number 5. Marilyn Burns in the movie Sally. In 1974, age 24. In 2014, age 65. She is dead, date of death 2014, and born in Texas, United States. Number 6. Ellen Danziger in the movie Jerry. In 1974, age 32. In 2023, age 80. He is born in New York, United States, and birthday July 23, 1942. Number 7. Teri McMinn in the movie Pam. In 1974, age 23. In 2023, age 71. She is born in Texas, United States, and birthday August 18, 1951. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.